Hi everyone. In this video, I will be talking about slicing of arrays. In my previous video, I have talked about dimensions of arrays. This video series is on Numpy arrays, so I thought why not include this also, even though it's a very simple topic and I am sure that people here are expert on it. But let's take an example for those who are not. And this example just contains one unidimensional array which contains 7 elements. So suppose I am writing array and then in square braces I am writing 4 colon. That means I am saying 4 colon all element, last element. So when I'm saying colon, anything after colon is something I am actually referring to element and not the index. Just listen this thing because this can get a little confusing if I had written suppose 4 colon 9 or 4 colon 8. It could become a little bit confusing. But here it is only going to extract all the elements starting from colon to maximum element present, no matter what you're providing it with. So for example, in this case, I am trying to extract element from fourth index to all. That means I'm going to extract 5, 6, 7 because 5 is something that is present at fourth index. Now let's see a little bit of difference. Why is it different from index? So it is nothing but just think like that. At zeroth position or zeroth index, I have first element, one element. At second, or not second, but at first position or first index, I have my second element. Similarly, at sixth index, I have 7 element. So when we are saying this way, we are just simply adding +1 in our index to get the result of what index we are at or what element we need to extract. It's very simple. So suppose instead of 4 colon, I had written 4 colon 6. That means I'm referring to 6 elements starting from fourth index. In that case, my result is going to be 5, 6. It's very simple. But what if you have seen that array from -4 to all? Now -4 sounds a little confusing here. We may think that it is going to break, but no. What will happen? So when we are saying when we are saying 0, we are referring to 1. When we say 1 index, we are referring to 2. But when we start saying -1, in that case, we start seeing our index starting from -1 from reverse or from the rightmost. So when I'm saying -1, I'm actually referring to 7. When I'm saying -2, I'm referring to 6. When I'm saying -3, it's 5. When I'm saying -4, it's 4. So when we are writing extract array from -4 to all, that means we are referring from 4 to 7. That means our result is going to become 4, 5, 6, 7. I know it can get a little confusing, but just pause the video, think over it, and you'll just get it. Now, what if I have already got this result, but this is not what I want. I actually want to extract every second word of this array. In that case, we will be providing one more colon and writing 2 because we want every second element of the array. For example, in this case, if I had written array starting braces, then 4, then colon, and one more colon, and then 2. In that case, I am directing this to extract from fourth index to all and then extract every second word of the resultant. That means my answer is going to become 5 and 7. It's very simple, just think about it. Now let's take another example in which I have taken the previous example only and I have just added two more element 8 and 9. It's just to cover more and more area. Okay, in this case I want to extract 1 colon 7 colon 2. But let's think what's 1 colon 7. 1 colon 7 means I have to start extracting from first index, or yeah, so from first position to seventh element. My seventh element is nothing but 7 itself. In that case my result is going to be 2 3 4 5 6 7 in a unidimensional array. Now as soon as I add colon 2, that means I wish to extract every second word from the resultant, and my answer is going to be 2 comma 4 comma 6. But what if I want to extract every third element of it? That means I will be asking for 1 colon 7 colon 3. In that case my result is going to become 2 comma 5. That's it. I know it can get a little confusing, but I think I have explained it uh, fine. So let's see you in my next video, in which I'll be talking about shape of arrays, and that is really a very interesting topic. See you, stay tuned.